G'day and welcome back to the channel. Going for a bit of a spin in the kayak this afternoon. I put it in some very shallow water so that if I do tip it up, we're only going to be in ankle deep water. And here she is, the SS Titanic. As you can see, the water's nice and shallow. Let's see if I can get it in there and out onto the lake. It's a little bit tentative, but it's been a while since I've been in this. G'day and welcome back to part 2 of the world's smallest kayak. It's now 3 years on, and this little craft has performed faultlessly. It hasn't sprung a leak, it has got no damage. It has been kept in the garage, so it hasn't been left to let the sun get to it, but the polypropylene hull has stood up to the test of time beautifully. It still paddles exactly the way it did when I first bought it. Yeah, I've got no complaints at all for, I think it was $500 or $480 or something that I paid for it. Very light and easy to carry. It's 17 kilos. And it fits inside the back of my Honda Civic. I'd forgotten how much fun this is. Right near civilization, but maybe a couple of 100 meters away from the road, but 1,000,000 kilometers from care. Life's simple pleasures. Oh, that wind's just coming around the corner here. For a few $100s you can get out on the water in a little craft like this. Perfect for rivers and lakes and sheltered bays. You're not going to take it out in the ocean, obviously, tiny little cockle like this, but yeah, I can't recommend it highly enough. I'm sure there's other options out there, but remember, the bigger your kayak is, the less likely you are to use it, because if it's really heavy and it's hard to get on top of the car and it's a drama, so to get it in and out of the water, you're not going to use it as much. Whereas this, I can have this in and out of the car in a couple of minutes. It's on the water, I'm ready to go. At 17 kilos, it's so light. And you know, I'm no spring chicken, I'm 69. So you don't have to be 30-year-old to carry it. And the bottom line is, it's a lot of fun. And the bonus, you get a bit of exercise as well. So out in the fresh air, off the couch, away from the TV and the fridge, I might add. We're right in Warner's Bay here. I'm going to see if we can get under this bridge. It's a little tiny creek here. I've never been up. I've driven over it 1,000 times. Oh, that's the fishing rod. Didn't think of that. Didn't think of that. Bit of a disaster. Wonder what that noise was. Not good. Just another example of my incompetence. Oh, look at this little creek. Right in the middle of the town. Didn't realise this creek went up so far. And back to civilization. Oh, watch out. Oh, there's rocks. Easy to run into a rock under here. Ooh, looks like that wind's coming around the corner now. Time to go home, I think. No, I lost my lure in a tree. That was the only fish I caught. Oh well, better than sitting home on the couch. All we've got to do is get out of the kayak without tipping it over. And we're back. That water's chilly too. Let's get this unloaded and into the car. Give it a quick wipe down, get all the sand and that off it. Just going to see if there's any water inside it. I've never actually tried this. Soon see if there's any water inside. Not a drop. There's no water inside that hole whatsoever after 3 years. That's quite impressive. Lacquer in the car. Which is a bit of a mess, but and it's in. And that, friends, is my review of the PRYMAL Spartan 7'3" after 3 years. It's still going strong, not a drop of water inside it, and yeah, I'd highly recommend it. Thanks for watching, and have a great week, and yeah, we'll catch you on the next one.